Yo, 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 yo. What up, guys? What it do, what it do, what it do? GBT is back to you guys again with another RC video, guys. Another RC speed run. This time it's going to be a 2S speed run and at a different camera angle, y'all. I got it mounted up on a vehicle again, but it's not my vehicle. And I'm using it as a way to give you guys better footage instead of just having it face the person's house in front of me. So I didn't want to do that this time. I'd rather have you guys actually see the road and see the Traxxas Stampede coming down the street. Okay, now I'm running 2S like I said. 2S LiPo Gen Z's 50C rated, 5200 milliamp, 7.4 volt LiPo battery. It's a hard pack. And it's the 2S 1P. And we're gonna do a speed run today on the same gearing and the new Talon wheels. And the gearing is gonna be 19 pinion, 54 spur gear. From what I actually know, no, not 19, I'm sorry, that's the slash four-wheel drive. This one's geared 20 pinion, 54 spur gear, both 32 pitch gears with brand new Talon wheels, the Traxxas Talons for the four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive Stampede VXL versions. Out of the box, that is, they come with those wheels. I got them on my, what used to be a brush Stampede, now a brushless Stampede. And of course, I got the ZTW Beast 110 scale brushless combo, 4,350 kV motor, and 60 amp ESC, okay? And we're gonna get this run going right now, guys. I'm gonna start it up. I'm gonna tie up the Sky RC GPS speed meter to it and see what we can get. And before I get to the speed run, guys, I just wanna let you know real quick that between the Sky RC GPS speed meter and the iPhone 4 speedometer app that I've always used up till recently, or before recently, for the last few months, years, almost 2 years now, I've been using it. They're both accurate. They're both very accurate. But the only difference between the two is this one seems to be 0.4 or 0.4 miles per hour slower than the speedometer app. So with the speedometer app, it says I'm actually going faster. With this one, it says I'm 0.4 or 0.4 miles per hour slower. Okay, so I think the Sky RC GPS is a little bit more accurate. And from what I've been told through people, that these little GPS meters like the Garmin's and the Sky RCs and the Dynamites and stuff, they're a lot more accurate than the phone apps, okay? So I'll just go with that. I'll believe it. And I will say that a lot of the speedruns I've been doing, I've been really going 0.4 miles per hour slower. So that 58.1 that I thought I put a 58.1 on with the Mini Revo on that public road, which was like almost 2 weeks ago, that video, that was about 10 to 12 days ago, that video, or it could have been 9 days ago, but that video, realistically, just subtract 0.4 miles per hour, 0.4 from 58.1, and that's been my real speed, okay? Especially with the Traxxas E-Revo Mamba Monster, the big E-Revo that I have. When I thought that I hit 68.2 miles per hour, it was actually just a tad slower than that. So that would be, 67.6 miles per hour? Or a little bit less than that, about 67.4, 67.5. Just do the math, guys. Still 67.5, 67.4, 67.6 miles per hour is still fast, guys, okay? So I just didn't want to do all those changes to the videos and change the speeds, but the difference is 0.4 or 0.4 miles per hour slower between the two. The speedometer app that I recommended to you guys is still great. It's excellent. All you got to do is subtract 0.4 miles per hour, 0.4, from your average Garmin or Dynamite or Sky RC, whatever aftermarket device that you're using besides a phone app, okay? Just want to let you know. Okay, guys, I'm going to get the run going. I'm going to tie up the Sky RC to the Traxxas Stampede, and we're going to get this video going. Give me a second. All right, y'all, let's get the speed run going. 2S lipo once again. 2S lipo. Okay, we're still recording. I'm not gonna get in the way of the video camera, still give me a second, guys. We're in the way of the video. Back the other way. Okay, folks, so that said that was 75 kilometers per hour. Let me translate it to miles per hour. Give me a sec. All right, guys, so that was 46.603 miles per hour. Otherwise, or AKA, let's just say 46.6 miles per hour. So that was almost 47 miles per hour, right around the corner. So we're basically 0.03 to 0.04 miles per hour away from 47, all right? Not that far. So, well, you guys do the math, you get what I'm saying. But that was basically 46.6 miles per hour. I don't think you want all that other mumbo jumbo down to the T, but it's not mumbo jumbo, I'm just saying. 75 kilometers per hour seems like the max on this monster truck with the motor I got in it. 4,350 kV on 2S. 46.6 miles per hour, all right? Let's see if we can get a little higher than that. Whoops. So that was 75 kilometers per hour once again. So 46.6 miles per hour seems to be the max speed on 2S on this beast. And it's still a beast in its own right. So 46.6, guys. Final top speed. You guys want to see something funny? Give me a second real quick. You guys want to see something funny? My Stampede is kind of glitching out. I don't know why. It's just spinning by itself in idle mode. I don't know what's doing. It's like a ghost is controlling it, but we're going to continue with this run. Alright, I don't know why it's tripping out, but it's tripping. Just a second real quick. Alright. There you go. Anyways, guys, there seems to be some kind of glitch with the with my brushless system on my Stampede. I'm gonna take it back to the shop and see what's going on with it. But you guys remember at some point last week, it didn't have brakes. It didn't have the capability of braking, and the guy fixed it for me. So probably just a little software issue. You know, we'll see. I'll probably need to get a programming card and program it. But I'm gonna shut it off for right now. Disconnect the connection and reconnect it, which I just did right now. I turned it off, but I'm gonna reconnect it or disconnect the wires, the DINs plugs from each other. Turn off the remote, turn it back on, plug in the wires back in, the connectors, and see what happens. Okay, give me a second. So I'm gonna do like 1 or 2 more passes, guys, and then I'm gonna shut down the video. All right, guys, that glitchiness seemed to have stopped. Let me see where we're at. Okay, I'm gonna record a little bit more. Oh, no. All right, give me a second, guys. Okay, we're good to go. Let's do a couple more passes and then we're done. And I'm gonna probably do a 2S run on the slash 4-wheel drive. We'll see. Alright guys, that's about it on this 2S run with the Traxxas Stampede 4-wheel drive brushless monster truck, geared 2054, 4,350 kV system, 60 amp ESC, 46.6 miles per hour final top speed. Once again, 46.6 miles per hour, which was 75 kilometers per hour every time I looked at the Sky RC GPS. So yeah, 75 kilometers per hour, 46.6 miles per hour, pretty damn fast for a monster truck of its size, a 110 scale brushless monster truck. All right, I'm happy with those numbers. Couldn't have been happier, honestly. Yeah, would I have liked, 50 to 52 miles per hour, 53 miles per hour on 2S? Yes. If I geared a little bit higher, I can get at least 48 to 51. But anyways, guys, other than that, GBT is signing off. Peace until next video, guys. Later.